Imagine starting with just $1,000 and turning it into $100,000 over time. Sounds unbelievable, right? But the truth is, it's possible if you follow the right strategy. But there's one big problem. 90% of people never even start this journey, and those who do often quit halfway. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can build real wealth starting from a small amount. First, let's be clear, this is not an overnight success story. This is a game of discipline, patience, and smart investing. Do you know why most people stay broke? Because they focus more on increasing their spending than increasing their wealth. As soon as their income goes up, their lifestyle goes up too, and that's the biggest trap. Step 1. Start small, but start now. Most people think, I don't have enough money, I'll start later. But the truth is, later never comes. Step 2. Consistency is king. Let's say you invest $100 every single month. It may not seem like much, but over time, this small habit creates massive results. Step 3. Invest in growth assets. You need to put your money where it has the potential to grow over time. Step 4. The power of compounding. Now comes the real magic, compounding. This is where your money starts making money, and then that money starts making even more money. All you have to do is stay consistent. Let's say you're getting an average return of 10% per year. At the beginning, the growth will feel slow, almost like nothing is happening. But after a few years, something interesting happens. Your money starts growing faster and faster. This is the power of compounding in action. Mistake number 1. Chasing quick money. Most people want fast results, and that's exactly why they fail. Mistake number 2. Inconsistency. They start investing but stop after a few months, and that breaks the entire system. Mistake number 3. Panic selling. When the market goes down, they get scared and sell everything, and that's how they lose money. If you really want to build wealth, you need to change the way you think about money. Stop thinking short-term, start thinking long-term, because wealth is not built in days, it's built over years. If you start today, your life can completely change in the next 5 to 10 years. But if you never start, nothing will ever change. So start today, even if it's small, because small steps lead to big results.